Finding the perfect rice cooker can feel overwhelming with so many options flooding the market. But Reddit users have done the heavy lifting for us, testing and reviewing countless models to find the real winners. Today, we're covering the top 5 rice cookers that consistently earn praise from the Reddit community for their performance, reliability, and value. Make sure to check the links in the description box for current Amazon prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 5 brings us to the Cuckoo CR-0675FW, and this Korean powerhouse represents incredible innovation with features that feel almost futuristic. The voice navigation in English guides you through every step, making it perfect for beginners who want foolproof results without reading thick manuals. What makes this machine special is its fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature based on rice type and quantity. The 12 built-in cooking programs handle everything from basic white rice to complex dishes like risotto and even cake baking that expands your culinary horizons. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to the detachable inner lid that can be removed and washed separately, unlike fixed-lid models that trap steam and odors. The non-stick aluminum inner pot evenly distributes heat, preventing the dreaded burnt bottom layer that can waste an entire batch. Sized for up to 6 cups of rice, it's a perfect fit for medium to large families. The Keep Warm function maintains the ideal serving temperature for hours without drying out or overcooking, while the preset timer lets you schedule meals ahead of time. Perfect if you want hot rice ready for breakfast or dinner. The only real drawback is that the voice prompts and abundance of settings can feel overwhelming in the beginning. However, once you get comfortable, the CR-0675FW quickly proves itself as a reliable, feature-packed cooker that makes every meal feel special. Number 4 brings us to the Instant Pot Duo, and this versatile powerhouse represents the ultimate space-saving solution for modern kitchens. The 7-in-1 functionality means you're getting a rice cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, and more in one compact appliance that eliminates countertop clutter. What makes this machine special is its smart programming with 14 built-in programs that take guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. The rice function produces consistently fluffy results, while the pressure cooking capability cuts cooking time dramatically for brown rice and wild rice varieties. The stainless steel inner pot is incredibly durable and dishwasher safe, unlike non-stick coatings that wear down over time. The sealing ring and anti-block shield ensure safe pressure release, while the large LCD display clearly shows cooking progress and remaining time. This cooker handles everything from single servings to family-sized portions with 3 size options available. The Keep Warm function automatically engages after cooking, and the Delay Start feature lets you prep meals hours ahead for perfect timing with your schedule. The main consideration is the learning curve can be steep initially, and the pressure release process takes patience compared to traditional rice cookers. However, for kitchens wanting maximum versatility and consistent results across multiple cooking methods, this delivers exceptional value. Number 3 brings us to the Yum Asia Panda Mini, and this compact champion represents perfect balance between advanced technology and space efficiency. The fuzzy logic technology automatically adjusts cooking parameters, ensuring perfect results whether you're making sushi rice or hearty brown rice dishes. What makes this machine special is its ceramic-coated inner pot that provides superior heat distribution and easy cleanup compared to standard aluminum pots. The 7 cooking functions handle white rice, brown rice, steam cooking, and porridge with preset programs that eliminate guesswork completely. The bright LED display with a 24-hour timer allows you to set up rice the night before, waking up to perfectly cooked grains ready to serve. Its compact 3.5-cup capacity is ideal for singles, couples, or small families who value fresh rice without dealing with large amounts of leftovers crowding the fridge. From fragrant jasmine rice to dense wild rice, the Panda Mini handles each grain with equal precision. The automatic Keep Warm function maintains an ideal serving temperature for hours, while the removable steam cap prevents overflow and makes maintenance effortless compared to fixed vent designs. The only limitation is its smaller capacity, which may not suit larger families or those who like to meal prep in bulk. Still, for households seeking restaurant-quality rice in a sleek, space-efficient package, the The Yum Asia Panda Mini delivers professional-grade results that often rival full-sized machines costing twice as much. Number 2 brings us to the Tiger JBV-A10U, and this Japanese engineering marvel represents innovation that changes how you think about rice cookers entirely. The revolutionary Ta-Cook cooking plate lets you simultaneously steam vegetables or proteins while rice cooks below, creating complete meals in one appliance. What makes this machine special is its microcomputer technology that monitors cooking progress and automatically adjusts heat levels for perfect texture every time. The 4 cooking menu settings handle different rice varieties with precision, while the synchronized cooking features save significant time during busy weeknight meal preparation. The removable steam cap prevents messy overflow and cleans easily under running water. The inner pot features excellent heat retention and distribution, preventing hot spots that create uneven cooking results that frustrate home cooks everywhere. This cooker handles 5.5 cups of rice perfectly for medium-sized families. The automatic keep warm function maintains serving temperature without overcooking. And the simple control panel makes operation intuitive even for technology-averse users who prefer straightforward functionality. The main consideration is the Ta-Cook plate requires learning proper layering techniques, and some foods don't steam well simultaneously with rice cooking. However, for families wanting efficient meal preparation with consistently excellent rice quality, this delivers convenience and results that transform dinner routines completely. Number 1 brings us to the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy. And this industry legend represents the gold standard that serious rice enthusiasts swear by worldwide. The advanced Neuro Fuzzy technology uses artificial intelligence to make constant micro-adjustments during cooking, ensuring absolutely perfect results regardless of rice variety or environmental conditions. What makes this machine special is its multiple menu settings that handle white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, and porridge with specialized programs developed through decades of Japanese rice cooking expertise. The LCD control panel with clock and timer provides complete cooking flexibility for busy schedules. The superior insulation and heating elements create even temperature distribution that eliminates hot spots and prevents burning. The extended keep warm function maintains perfect serving temperature up to 12 hours without degrading texture or developing off flavors that plague lesser cookers. This cooker handles 5.5 cups of rice with legendary reliability that spans decades of daily use. The precision engineering ensures consistent results batch after batch, while the intuitive controls make operation effortless for users of all experience levels seeking restaurant-quality results. The main consideration is the premium price point might stretch budgets compared to basic models, and the numerous settings can feel overwhelming initially. However, for serious home cooks demanding absolute perfection and legendary durability, this investment pays dividends through years of flawless performance. These 5 rice cookers represent the best Reddit has to offer, each serving different needs and budgets perfectly. Remember to check those description links for current pricing and availability. Happy cooking?